A bustling kitchen hums with excitement. A curious girl reaches for sugar atop a shelf. Suddenly her hand slips. Flour explodes like a snowy cloud. In the midst of the chaos, a wise lady appears. Her heart glows with love. She carries the secrets of baking in her gentle hands. Excitement bubbles inside the young baker. Chocolate chip cookies beckon, but numbers spin in her mind, a tangle of worry threatening her adventure. With a soft smile, she encourages exploration. Curiosity twinkles in her eyes. The kitchen transforms into a world of scientific wonders. Together they whisk and stir. The dough feels strange, a mix of sticky and dry. Doubts creep in, threatening the sweet dream of cookies. In a moment of frustration, she offers wisdom. Mistakes aren't failures, they are keys to discovery. With a thoughtful pinch, hope spreads through the air. Experimentation whirls magic into the mixture. Each stir unfolds a surprising flavor. Patience sprinkles joy into the once daunting task. The timer dings, releasing sweet happiness into the kitchen. Cookies emerge, golden treasures ready to share. Together, they savor sweet bites. The flavors burst with surprising delight. Each cookie shares a story of creativity and learning. As they reflect, hearts brim with newfound wisdom. Baking isn't just a task, it's a journey filled with endless possibilities. In the comfort of twilight, the kitchen becomes their realm. Each star outside resembles a friendly twinkle of inspiration. Mistakes became memories, lessons turned into laughter. Together, they look forward to their next splendid baking adventure.